Lately there is this new trend going around the internet which is called latte makeup. It's just a neutral makeup. You try to avoid like red tone browns. You just use like yellow tone, mustardy browns in your makeup look. And of course, since we are going to give this trend a try, since it's called latte makeup, of course we need to make one latte right now. And we're back, and this is my coffee. I'm a huge coffee fan, so I couldn't miss this opportunity to enjoy another cup of coffee. So let's start the tutorial. Today I'm gonna start with a face makeup, and the first product we're gonna use is this putty bronzer by e.l.f. Cosmetics. It has the perfect caramel tone that we need for this makeup, so let's give it a try. I will try to avoid to use too much foundation today, so we are gonna mix this e.l.f. Halo Glow with a bit of Dose of Colors foundation because it's very high coverage, so we're just gonna use a drop. I'm gonna go in with a brush, slightly tap it on the parts of our face where we didn't apply the contour. Whatever is left on the brush, we're just gonna slightly go over the contour parts, and even you can use it on your body as well. Now is the time for the eye makeup, and I'm gonna prime my eyes with e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-Hour Camo Concealer. It's matte and it's very full coverage. There are so many palettes available in the market that you can use for this kind of look. For example, I'm gonna show you some of them that I have in my possession. There is this Aha Honey palette from Colourpop, which has that brownish tones that we might need. This Small Truffles palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This tone is just perfect. Of course, we have Morphe and the James Charles palette, which has a huge selection of neutral browns here. Today for my look, I'm gonna go for a face palette that I almost in serious. And maybe this is discontinued, I'm not sure, but this is the Tarte clay play palette, and it's mostly a face palette, but it has few very beautiful eyeshadows as well. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna pick this shade here. We're gonna apply it on our crease. Next, I'm gonna use this contour bronzer shades. Higher parts of our, I don't even know how this part is called. We're gonna use it here and pull it until this part of our face. After, I'm gonna mix this brown, the darker brown, with this here. Apply it at the outer corner of my eye. We're still gonna use this Colourpop palette and pick this yellowish mustardy brown and apply it on our crease because my look turned a bit too cool toned. For the crease, we can go in two directions, matte or shimmery shades. Today my soul just requires shimmers, so we're gonna apply shimmery eyeshadow on our eyelid. But of course you can apply matte white milky shades, for example like these two whitish shades on your inner corners, and that will be just it. To me, I think I'm gonna go with James Charles palette and gonna pick these shimmery shades, maybe gonna mix them. We are gonna do some color correction using this NYX Cream Corrector palette. It's the best palette in the world, I swear. But I mostly use these peachy shades. Generally, this shade I use it to conceal the darkness, and this shade is more pinkish. I use it on the outer corners of the eyes. Next, we're gonna repeat the same eyeshadow steps on the lower lash line and do some powder contouring using the same palette. Next, gonna use this Juvia's Place highlighter as a blush because I don't have caramel toned blushes so much in my collection. I'm gonna line my lips using this Kiko Milano lip liner in number 36. Gonna use this Luxe lipstick from Colourpop Cosmetics in the shade Tiptoe. Very pale nude, so we're just gonna slightly tap it on our lips. Apply some mascara by Essence Cosmetics and be right back. And this is the final look. What do we think? If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.